Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to disconnect a Ford Edge battery. Before you begin, it's crucial to prioritize safety. First, gather all your necessary tools, such as a 10mm wrench and some safety gloves. Next, make absolutely sure your vehicle's ignition is completely off and the engine is cool. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment to protect yourself from potential hazards during the process. Taking these initial steps ensures a safe and smooth procedure. Now, let's locate the battery in your Ford Edge. Typically, it's found under the hood, often on the passenger side. Once you've found it, identify the two main terminals. The negative terminal is usually marked with a minus sign and has a black cable attached. The positive terminal is marked with a plus sign and has a red cable. Correctly identifying these is a critical step before proceeding with the disconnection. The next step is to disconnect the negative terminal first. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully loosen the nut on the negative terminal. Remember, this is the black cable connected to the minus sign. Once loosened, gently remove the cable from the battery post. It's very important to secure this disconnected negative cable away from the battery to prevent any accidental contact, ensuring your safety throughout the process. Finally, you can proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. Again, use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the positive terminal, which is the red cable connected to the plus sign. Once loosened, carefully remove this cable from the battery post. With both the negative and positive cables disconnected and secured, your Ford Edge battery is now safely isolated. You can now proceed with any necessary maintenance or removal of the battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.